exposition and chimeketa gabo the mother of all my exposition. And maybe exposition and mechaya may need the armored car as a bulletproof car. So Anambra State, I'm with millionaires and billionaires. Or when any of you that would like to sponsor this armored car or bulletproof car, if you get a member, you contact me. Or you have my contact, go to Anambra State Commissioner for Information. Onya Kojuwebo Commissioner for Information. OG information of almost everybody. Dr. Lawmefo, on my how to get to me. Or you can go to Anambra State's Majority Leader, Anambra State House of Assembly Majority Leader. A boy that you want to speak to me, on my how to get to me. But that's just by the way. Now, let's get into it. Exposition Abomaka, a billionaire Biafra unknown gunman ESN bandit by name Ochiaga Osmo. I don't know how many of you know about Ochiaga Osmo. Ochiaga bo terror, Ochiaga bo horror, and the Ochiaga bo pain on the neck of his own people. Even when the exposition gentle the Yahoo, now, only people can gentle, but we don't hear about them much. Ochiaga Osmo worth billions of naira in liquid cash. In assets, Ochiaga worth multiple billions because of activities of Ochiaga. How do I know this? Now the year 2025, just last year, Spider Intel intercept Ochiaga's call with a POS lady. And who is this POS lady? Nelly woman never. Okay, this lady. And the oil harbor that in the Bella for many years now. Now POS people and some citizens bonding as sabotage the state government. After they go, oh, now the governor of this state and no, or the governor and or security and but some people from the same state and these POS people or how they help the criminals, the terrorists to facilitate their moves. So this POS lady, Spider Intel, intercepted her call with Ochiaga. Can you follow the discussion? Ochiaga now what this lady? Now 20 million business handle agado. Now send there another account. Now change wire 50 million. Now that account. Now the question, boy, can you fill this money before? The money before Ijigota granite and the OCC stick. Anytime you know granite, a man if I in English bullet. Anytime you know OCC, a man if I in English stick, but the real meaning boom elbow. So granite boom elbow and stick elbow away. So this 20 million Ochiaga wire na this lady's account bow for purchase of these weapons. Now, when Spider Intel made their call intercept, we moved immediately and picked this lady. By picking this lady, here is the money we recovered and hand over to the authority. Here is the money we recovered. So, when this thing naga, Ochiaga bia chopota na ye nwetago this lady. If Ochiaga mezebo, obido choba another POS merchant or Oyeji will continue his criminal activities. Well, Chogi the well matter one Azia. Mbocha with these POS because the bigger and the better than anyone a member with. Ochiara we bido well why about millions. I mean, not only not checking a wire money at that account, or checking they use the same account to correct ransom from the victims, or checking they use the same account. Ne tinye me go letter nana, and other thing or checking we go that to Anna Obudaga lay 800. So the last Anna or lay, I think it's 800 million naira. Or lay. Why ego? The question, Bo, can only Bo, the owner of these POS merchants, then Azia. One recall general, the biggest of them all, Anambra State alone. Now, this guy, Anabo Agaman Boss Melife, Unecheta Dema, on 1 year, Anabo Akachu, Bonya with these POS. Because, where Ochiara can change the POS, be another one. Spider Intel followed by the footprint. Where weta Nochiaga they send the Ziego to POS in the Azia. Do you know what happened there? Spider Intel move immediately. I mean immediately. Jembe the POS operator arrest. And the Keloniago the POS operator. Here is the lady. Now, when this lady arrested, Onyel a whole lot of confession.
Now, where is your POS located?
It is located at Tobomazi.
In Azia?
Yes.
In Ihiala?
Ihiala local government.
Okay. Where do you stay?
I stay at Tobomazi.
In whose house?
Barrister Kashpuma Dako's house.
Okay, you stay in Barrister Akachukwu Dako's house.
Yes.
Now, what do you have to tell me about the man named Alowore?
What I have to say is that he's a security man in Azia. He buys things for Shara.
He buys things for Shaga. How?
You do instruct him to buy things.
Who instructs him to buy things?
Oshaga.
Oshaga used to instruct Alowore to buy things for his camp.
Yes.
So how do you know that Oshaga used to instruct Alowore to buy things for his camp?
Because once if they do transfer, the person that you normally send, Otu, will come and tell me that this money now, that it will be given to Alowore to use and buy foodstuffs for them.
Now, how do you happen to know so much about Alowore?
Because we have dated before.
Alowore used to be your man friend?
Yes.
Okay. And where does Alowore stay?
He stays at Tobomazi.
In whose house?
He stays at Akachukwu house.
Alowore stays in Akachukwu's house at times. And other times in where?
I don't know. He normally stays outside.
In which house? In which room in Akachukwu's house does he stay?
My room.
Okay, Alowore stays in your room in Akachukwu's house.
Yes.
And both of you were dating or are still dating?
We are dating.
Where was the
We are dating.
You are dating. Where was the last time Alowore slept in your room?
It was the day the rain fell.
Which day the rain fall?
That should be on Tuesday.
And the Kelonye, this lady, Onye na alono Akachukwu. But this lady in Enanya, they date the chief security Nazia. I will come to the chief security.